In the UK, the Bullnose skirting board is the most used skirting ever. It's pretty easy to see why. The board itself is super simple, cheap to produce, and many professionals swear by it as it will get the job done for years to come. However, in recent years, although still popular, the skirting has started to decline and newer, fresher designs are taking over. Going back to the Bullnose, however, what is it that made it so popular in the first place? Here are a few reasons why. Low demand for different skirtings. Until recently, most people didn't think about their skirting board designs. Most people were happy to have the Bullnose, and because of this fact, there was no reason to start manufacturing new types of designs. The Bullnose was the way forward, and with no incentive to make anything new, this design was unchallenged for years to come. It's simple design. Although it's plain and very simple, the Bullnose design has a lot going for it. For example, its simple profile means it will be easy to clean and maintain. It's also cheap to replace if something happens to the skirting board as well. Other advantages include the profile not being sharp to the touch, keeping the children safe should they encounter the skirting, and the design also works with most interiors very well indeed, and it will blend in nicely with the surroundings. Easy for builders to work with. Builders brought Bullnose designs in huge loads, and as the public did not question the other design choices, this allowed builders to work quickly as possible, fitting in the Bullnose skirting. The benefits? Cheaper running and fitting costs, quicker fitting times, and of course very low maintenance. All in all, many builders did not see a reason as to why someone would want to abandon something that just worked and could be fitted quickly and effectively. The change. People started to get bored of having the same design repeatedly. As demand increased, companies started offering unique designs to the public. Some of the more popular alternatives include the Groove 2 Bullnose, Chamfer, and Taurus Type 2. These skirting boards are also easy to fit and maintain, but they have designs which stand out rather than blend in. They are also more modern, and what's more, people are now painting them too. This used to be a thing back in the Georgian days. They did this to show their status, but now it's been done to make homes look stylish and unique for people. Now skirting boards are more important than ever before. The Bullnose will always remain popular, but in time it will start to see less demand as people take up changing their houses, this time getting the designs they truly want. And that concludes our video. Hopefully you found it useful and insightful, and until next time we will see you in our next video.